Hey, what's up, what's up? So today we are making rhubarb strawberry crisp. No, these are not my swords. These are pieces of rhubarb, which actually I did not know it was a vegetable. This is my first time trying it. We have some beautiful strawberries. We're gonna need some pecans, some brown sugar, white sugar, granulated sugar, oats, and I have a mix of like a 1-to-1 gluten-free flour, but you can also use all-purpose flour, some salt, cornstarch, some butter, of course, and some vanilla extract. We're gonna throw it all together, put it in the oven, and make some magic. All right, thanks for watching the channel, and let's do this. Okay, let's taste it, y'all. Oh man, it smells really good. Ooh, it's good. It's very tart. Wow. My dad was like, rhubarb is a fruit accompaniment. And it really does. It complements the sweetness of the strawberries, but gives it like a tartness, almost like a lemony kind of. I don't know how to, you just gotta try it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you try the recipe. It's super easy, super fun for the summertime. I'll see you next time. Thanks.